So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make easy money playing iPhone games here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, what I want you guys to do is go to the Earn tab right here. So go to the bottom left, make sure you guys are on the Earn screen. Now once you guys are here, it'll then show you the offers that are available to you in regards to current games on the Apple Store or iOS games that you can play to earn money. So for example, for me, I have 3 offers available with the potential to make $3,031. Now you can go ahead and play Dice Dreams iOS right here and earn $521. You can scroll down in this case and I can play Monopoly Go for $862. You can also scroll down and play Domino Dreams for $1,646. So for example, if I were to go to Monopoly Go right here, I can press on the little I right here. Now, once you guys are here, you can play and earn, so you can download this, and you can go ahead and play Monopoly Go. So you can scroll down, see the different rewards right here. So if you do any of this stuff, you can go ahead and earn the money. So, for example, if you reach 431 within 90 days, you can earn $16. There's some daily rewards here by playing just 2 minutes, playing on 2 different days, 7 days, etc. You can earn all these rewards just by simply playing Monopoly Go. And once again, if I were to go out of here and go up to Dice Streams and go ahead and press on the little information right here, you can do the same thing, right? You can complete the Kingdom 40 within 11 days. You can earn yourself $30. So a bunch of different, I guess, tasks or rewards that you guys can earn by just playing the game and making some really simple money here. So simply go ahead, download the app, compete the challenges, and then you can go ahead and earn money that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can make easy money by just playing iPhone games here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.